So if you find that your elastic chain has come away from the back bracket, the little hook here, use tweezers or your fingers to gently pull the elastic chain to reattach over the little hook. If you find that your elastic chain has snapped completely from the bracket, like so, you can use your elastic bands to prevent any spacing from opening. You have a little hook on the canine tooth here and a little hook on the back bracket here. With your fingers or tweezers, connect the elastic band from one hook to the other. If you find the power chain is snapped around the front teeth, and to prevent any spacing from opening, you can use your elastic bands. There is a hook on the canine bracket and a hook on the other side. With your fingers or your tweezers, connect the elastic band down over the aerial hook, gently pulling the elastic round to the other hook. Now this will prevent any spaces from opening until we see you at your next appointment.